What's up, guys? When was the last time you actually cleaned inside your keyboard or around your computer setup? Dust builds up fast, and it can affect performance more than you think. Today on Dudes Tech, we are checking out the best computer vacuum cleaner that keeps your gear clean without bulky tools. Let's get started. Meet the Muting Computer Vacuum Cleaner. This is not just a small vacuum. It is a smart 3-in-1 cleaning device that works as a mini vacuum, an air duster, and an air blower. That means you can suck up dust and crumbs, blow debris out of tight spaces, and even use it as an air pump for storage bags. Instead of buying 3 different tools, you get everything in one compact device. The design is simple but very practical. One end connects to a nozzle for vacuuming. This is perfect for pulling dust out of keyboards, laptop vents, and desk corners. The other end works as a blower. You can use it to push dust out of hard-to-reach areas before vacuuming it up. It is especially helpful for electronics where dust hides in tiny gaps. The air pump feature also allows you to airtight pack storage bags, which is great for saving space when traveling or organizing at home. The Muting Computer Vacuum Cleaner comes with multiple accessories that make it very flexible. Different attachments allow you to clean keyboards, car interiors, camera lenses, and other delicate equipment. With at least 6 possible configurations, you can switch between tools depending on the task. This makes it easy to reach tight crevices and clean sensitive surfaces without damaging them. Power is another strong point. The Muting cleaner is powered by 2 built-in 2000 mAh batteries. These batteries are designed for long-lasting performance and have passed 500 charging cycle tests. That means they are built to last. It takes only about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge. Once charged, you get strong suction and blowing power for extended cleaning sessions without constant recharging. Even though it is compact, the performance is impressive. The device measures just 6.4 inches in length and 2.5 inches in diameter, and it weighs only 0.83 pounds. So it is lightweight and easy to hold in one hand. Inside, it houses a powerful 120-watt motor that delivers 5.3 kilopascal cyclone suction at 35,000 revolutions per minute. In simple terms, that means it has enough power to quickly remove dust, crumbs, and small debris from your devices and workspace. The cyclone suction system helps maintain consistent airflow, so you get steady performance while cleaning. Whether you are clearing out a dusty keyboard or cleaning your car dashboard, the suction remains strong and reliable. Maintenance is also easy. The Muting Computer Vacuum Cleaner includes a reusable and washable filter that meets high-efficiency particulate air standards. This helps trap fine dust particles while allowing clean air to pass through. The dust container is designed for simple removal and cleaning. When it gets full, you just empty it and wash the filter if needed. Regular cleaning of the filter helps keep the suction and blowing performance at its best. The overall build feels solid and well-balanced. It is small enough to store in a drawer or backpack, yet powerful enough to handle serious cleaning tasks. The compact size makes it convenient for both home and office use. You can even keep it in your car for quick cleanups. What really makes the Muting Computer Vacuum Cleaner stand out is how it combines 3-in-1 functionality, strong 120-watt motor performance, dual 2000 mAh batteries, multiple attachments, washable high-efficiency particulate air filter, and a lightweight portable design all in one device. It is designed to make cleaning electronics and tight spaces simple and efficient. Dust does not stand a chance with this one. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more smart tech tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.